Welcome to Operations and Supply Chain University. I'm Jerry Wright. This is Ops University Lean Six Sigma bonus supplemental content. Here we'll talk about selecting Lean Six Sigma software for data analysis and design of experiments. So selecting Lean Six Sigma software. So if you need to do data analysis and design of experiments, Microsoft Excel probably isn't going to get you there. Microsoft Excel is good for yellow belt, green belt, no problem. It gets you almost through everything. And that's all you need. And why would you get more? But if you're going to do a lot of data analysis, charts, tables, and if you have to do design of experiments, you need to get something beyond Excel. Excel does not do design of experiments and the analytics you need, not without some add-ins or help. So there are many options in the marketplace, but in this video, we're just going to cover the most common and best fit options for your consideration. Those are Minitab, MoreSteam, and SigmaZone. Those are the three we're going to discuss, and I've got familiarity with all three of these. I've used all of them. All right, so the featured Lean Six Sigma software options. First up is Minitab. Minitab is the granddaddy. It's the gold standard. It's comprehensive capability for data analysis and DOE. It does everything you're going to need, and it's considered the gold standard for quality analytics. Very common to see Minitab in larger corporations, where quality departments are using Minitab for the different functions. For gauge R&R, they're using it for design of experiments, they're doing it for control charts. So again, Minitab is very popular and considered the gold standard. Now, MoreSteam has not been around as long as Minitab, but again, MoreSteam has something called Engine Room. Engine Room is comprehensive data analysis and DOE software. It's got some great simulations and other things, and it's part of the MoreSteam online learning system. You can also purchase a license for Engine Room standalone. If you don't want to do the Lean Six Sigma learning, you can just get Engine Room to do your data analytics all by itself. So again, it works with Excel, and it's very capable, and I strongly recommend it. And then last up, SigmaZone. So SigmaZone is a macro-based add-in to Excel. So it basically just supercharges your Excel to do the things you need for data analysis, control charts. And there's also DOE Pro, which is another add-in to Excel, and it gives you the design of experiment capabilities. So let's look at what those cost and what you can consider. And keep in mind, there's several options to look at. So here's the links. Again, there's Minitab, MoreSteam, and SigmaZone. But here's the things to look at. Minitab, unfortunately, is fairly expensive. Now, if your company's buying it and it's available, don't bother looking at the other two. You have Minitab, it's going to do everything you need pretty much. It's about $1,849 a year per person or per license. Now, MoreSteam, much more cost effective, $495 per year for the engine room. Again, a great option. I would consider that if you need an ongoing license maintained and it may change with people over time, then probably getting a license per year at $495 is very realistic. Now, SigmaZone is slightly different because it's an add-in to Excel. It's a little more cost effective. It's a one-time fee. When you download it on your computer, you'll have it on that computer forever. You can even change computers as long as you hold on to your license code, and then you can reinstall it. Now, there's SigmaZone SPC Excel, which is giving you pretty much everything you need to do for analytics. It does not cover design of experiments. It's different. You can also get DOE Pro. And again, you can buy them separately. Say if you only want to get DOE Pro so you can do design of experiments analytics, it's $299. If you only want to get SPC Excel, it's only $299. If you want to get both of them, you get a deal. It's $449, and you get both licenses together. And this is what I've typically done because I'm going to be doing design of experiments, but I also want the analytics. So I've typically gone for the SigmaZone licenses. And again, once you get it, that's good for lifetime. Or as long as you have that PC and maintain the license. Hopefully this gives you some ideas on how you can approach getting software you might need for your Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and or Black Belt. And definitely in Black Belt, you're going to need it for the design of experiments. That's it for this particular lesson. Thank you for your time.